Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel interview point of view. First of all, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, today's topic is fundamental topic, that is operators. We'll start up the video. Yeah. In the JavaScript, operators allow us to perform operations on a value and a variables. As we already know what is variables, so variables stores the values. Okay, it allows to perform some operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any mathematical operations. Okay, they also help in calculations, comparisons, logical decisions, and many other programming tasks. An operator works with the operands. Let's see what are operators and operands. So you can see in the presentation, let result equals 10 plus 5. So here let is just a declaration type, result is a value, result is a name of the variable 10 plus 5. So these are the values for the results. Okay, so result is holding the value called 10 plus 5. So what is 10 plus 5? So this is a data, 10 is a data and 5 is also data. In between the 10 and 5 you can see the plus symbol. So that is called operators. Okay, and 10 and 5 are called operands. Okay, and all together it's holding by the result variable. So this is the meaning of operators. We'll move on to the next slide. So you can ask, what are the types of operators? So there are many types of operators in JavaScript. You can see there are 7. So first is arithmetic, assignment operators, comparison, logical, string operators, ternary, and type operators. So first comes arithmetic operators. As the name indicates, it holds the operators of arithmetic and in mathematical operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, increment, decrement. This comes under arithmetic operators. Coming to the assignment operators, you can see the assigned value such as equal to, double equal to, strict equal to, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign. These many comes under assignment operators. Next we have comparison operators. So as the name indicates, it is used to whenever we wanted to compare the operators. Okay, in this comparison operators we can see equal to, double equal to, strict equal to, not equal, strict not equal, greater than, lesser than. And point to be remembered for comparison operator is it returns a boolean as a result. Okay, so that is, we can see just a true or false. Okay, then also we have under comparison operators, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So using this strict equal instead of double equal to, it avoids some unexpected results. Then we have logical operators. So this is used to using when we wanted to make some decisions. So what are the logical operators then? So you can see ampersands, that is and, or, logical not. So these all comes under logical operators. So do you know, you know that ampersand works, that is logical and works only when the both conditions are correct. Then it will give us a true. So results is true only when both are true. Okay. When comes to pipeline symbol, that is logical or, it check at least one condition. So if one condition is true, it will return as true. It never bothers about second condition. Okay, if nothing is true, then it returns false. This is how it works. Pipeline symbol. Then we have exclamatory symbol, that is logically not. So basically it is used to reverse the value. Where, for example, 5 exclamatory mark, if you consider that, so it gives a value as 5 not. For another example, not, this logically not symbol, then if you consider true, then it will return result as false. This is how we are going to reverse the values. Then we have string operators. So as basically string operators means we'll be having a strings. Let's say for the string operators, hello plus world. Hello is also string and it is quoted, and world is also string. It's also quoted. So both together, it will combine and it will give as a result hello world. This is how string operator works. Basically for concatenating the values. Then we have a ternary operator. So it's just a shorthand of if-else statement. We'll see this in an example. Okay. Then we have a type operator. So this just checks the data type of the values. It only checks the data type for functions or primitive data type. Okay. In the next slide, we'll see the examples of each of them. Okay. So first comes the arithmetic. Whenever you see the symbols, this symbol you can consider it as arithmetic operators. Okay, here A and B are the operands and plus is the operators. Okay, then it will give the let's say A equals some value, A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. So both together it additions and it will give the result as A plus B, that is 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, this is how it works. Then we have an example, x plus is equal to 3. Okay, this is a assignment operator. So you can observe plus and equals together, we will call it as add and assign. So this is nothing but it's the same as this, x is equal to x plus 3. It's just a symbolic representation of an operator, add and assign. Okay, now x is now 8. Just consider x is now 8. Okay, and when x is equal to 5, now x is equal to 8 and when x is equal to 5, I have written a reverse order. When x is equal to 5 initially, then after performing the operators, we will get x is equal to 8. Let me symbolize this. Okay, first x equals 5. Okay, then after performing, x becomes 8. How means basically x is equal to 5 plus 3. So it will give the result as 8. I hope this is clear for you. Then move on to the next example, that is not. This belongs to comparison operators. As I already said, it will just give the result. Okay, it will just give the boolean values as the result. 5 not equal to 5. So this is asking whether 5 not equal to 5. So they are telling, is it correct or not? Okay. So 5 not equal to 5. So this should be some random number. 5 not equal to 3. Let me say. Okay, 5 not equal to 3. Yes, it's not equal to 3. That's why it will give a boolean value as true. Okay. Next we have logical operator. So here 5 greater than 2, 10 greater than 5. Sorry, 5 is greater than 10. In between you can see the ampersand symbol. So this is nothing but logical AND. As I earlier said, it will check both the condition. So if both the condition is true, then only it gives the answer as true, or else it will fail. It will give us a false. So here it says 5 is greater than 2. Yes, it's correct. Then it will validate this value. Yes, 10 is greater than 5. Yes, both the conditions are matched. Then it will give a boolean value as true. Okay. Then we have string operator. As I already said, whenever it is quoted with double quotes, a string, a word, any word is quoted with the double quotes, so it is considered as string. So these are the operands and plus is an operator. So both together we are concatenating, and whenever we print the message, so we will get hello world, and hello and a world together, hello world. Okay. Next we have this ternary operator. So as I earlier said, ternary operator is just a shortcut of this if-else statement. So let age equals 18. So we have a variable as age and its value is 18. Okay, let me see what is the condition. So it says age greater than or equal to 18. Okay, and we are storing in a result variable. So if the age is, whatever the age we have is greater than or equal to 18, if it is true, then it will print eligible, this value. If the age, let me consider, if the age is 18, okay, this 18 will come here, 18 will check the condition. If it is greater than or equal to 18, then it's eligible. If it is 19 also, it will print eligible. Okay, let me tell if the age is 17. So it will consider checks the condition as this. Okay, now the condition is failing. So now it prints not eligible. Same as if else statement here. Okay, this is about ternary operator. So this is the symbolic representation of ternary operator. Then we have this type of. So type of is just give the which type of value it is. Okay, it gives the data type. What? Okay, if it is type, we will write a type of and a 10. So it will give the type as number. If it is type of hello, the output would be string. So it checks the type. Yeah, this is about operators. If any doubt, please comment down. I'll reply to that. Thank you. Please do share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and do support. Thank you so much.